Okay, we're going to be doing clutch adjustment. You lose this screw here, and you lose this as much as you can. Bring the rubber up, and then we're going to take the primary cover out. Let's lose a little bit more of this one. Make sure the handle is like that. Okay, I have removed most of the screws because it's all signed up like, you know, powder coating. I'm using both hands, so I won't scratch the cover. What I do is just guide the tool into the bolt like that, and then hold it. I found that's the only way I won't scratch anything. Almost, you see that? If you know any better way, please put it in the comments. Well, nice. That's why I put the cloth. I drop it. Okay, good. So next is we lose this bolt and we get the Allen, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I have done that also on the Fat Boy a couple of years ago, and it holds pretty good. All right. So I found that the 11/16 fits much tighter, so we don't damage the nut. Okay, I just snap it like that. Give it a good one because the thing rotates, and I don't want to put nothing in here to hold it. Alright, so this is loose. Okay, you see the nut is loose. So let's find the Allen key. Okay, now you go. I'm just gonna hand tight this one here. See how easy it is right here. And when I found pressure, I stop. Then we rotate back half turn. Use your Allen key to estimate the half turn. So this is like half turn, and I'm gonna give it a little more, like a 10% right there. Then okay, and let's get the key. This you can actually use if you want. They're calling for 80-inch on a torque wrench, okay, but it's really, you have to check your manual to make sure, you know, because what each bike has probably a little bit different, but you just hand tight it. You don't have to go crazy with that, and that's it. So let's tighten that. I use the 11/16. I put the Allen key here to hold it in position. Okay. Use my gloves. The thing is very slippery. I need about an inch on the top. Let me show you. See that? Slowly it's getting tight. I can't put any tools in here. All right. It's better with the gloves. Okay, we are 2 1/4. Okay, we are probably 1/8. Check. Yeah. You see that? It looks like 1/8. One right here. Maybe I give it a quarter of a turn. Check the tension one more time. It's pretty good. All right, getting there. I'm not gonna close it yet. I'm gonna check the oil, and I'll be back. We're getting there. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there, and I'm gonna tension the nut. And I'm gonna do a test before I put the rubber, just in case. All right. And always check your gasket. And this looks good, but I'm gonna replace the gasket too. So I'm gonna start making a list. All right. Okay, so it has the part number right here, so always keep it level like that with the part number readable, not upside down. We should be okay here, and let's close that. Put the first one in by hand. All right. I have the engine oil is new. We use AMSOIL on both bikes I have, except the Beamer. Okay, hand tight. Then we can tension everything cross. Let's go like that, and let's go like that. Kind of guide it with my finger. Try not to scratch anything. Okay, let's go like that, and like that. All right, and one more. You don't have to go crazy with the primary cover. Right there. Go here. Okay. No, let's go here. All right. And here. Well, good. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope I help you out, and give us a like, subscribe. More to come. Thanks.